Welcome. Thanks for joining me today as I work on this page that is all about cats. I'm working in my gratitude junk journal, and I didn't get as much done in November as I'd hoped, but that's okay. I'll be working in this journal for a while. Before I get started, I want to share this organizer I found at the Dollar Tree in the $5 section. It's a spinning organizer, and I just love how it holds a good amount of my journaling and planning supplies. Okay, first I'll show you what materials I'm using for this spread, and then I think I'm going to try a little background music while I work quietly instead of talking. We'll see how that works out. I have already cut out all the pieces I want to use and gathered my cat washi tape and stickers. I'll show you where I got my cat pictures from. This is a book I picked up at the craft thrift store that features women artists. And this other one I got from the Dollar Tree in their magazine section. I also printed out pictures of my two cats, Joey and Mac. Joey, my calico, and Mac is my tuxedo, and she looks very sassy here. I have cat stickers and washi, and I'm going to use scrapbook paper and an envelope pocket. This cute confetti pocket I made in another video is something that I added a few cat stickers to, and I used large washi to decorate it. It turned out really cute, and it shakes when I open the journal. I'm going to just keep it attached with an oversized paper clip instead of adding it to the journal. I also made sure to keep the artist's name cut out so I could keep it together with the picture. Okay, let's get started. What do you think? For a few minutes, I wasn't sure where I wanted the envelope pocket to go, but I think I like it the way it flips out here. I also made sure to leave enough room on the piece of paper so that I can, journal about my cats and how much joy they brought me and about my gratitude for them. Thanks again for joining me today, and I hope that you'll come back with me, as I continue to work in this journal and in my other journals. And I'll see you soon.